Welcome my fellow vapors. Today we'll be reviewing King's Barrel Blacksmith. It is described as triple chocolate mocha that is pure decadence. Definitely agree. As for the bottle, it has a child-proof cap with a dripper flue that goes all the way down to the bottom, the born on date, the lot number, where it is made, and the ingredients, which are USP kosher grade ingredients. Now these juices are made in an ISO 6 clean room. This is a 50-50 PG-VG ratio. Fantastic cloud production for being a 50-50. Amazing. And the taste is just like having a coffee bean wrapped in mocha chocolate. Fantastic. Are you fucking kidding me? It's even better if you have it with a cup of coffee. Definitely 2 thumbs up. If you want to go check this juice out, if mocha is your thing, go to www.egenusa.com. Vape on, everyone.